Hello guys, welcome to Bud of Knowledge. In this video, we'll start a new chapter, the microbial world. Microbes, living organisms, show a great variety in shape and size. Some organisms are quite big, such as the elephants and blue whales, whereas some are very small, such as ants and termites. Some organisms that are too tiny to be seen with the unaided human eyes also exist in the nature. They can only be seen using an instrument called the microscope. Such organisms are known as microbes or microorganisms. A branch of science that involves the study of microorganisms is called microbiology, and the scientists dealing with them are called microbiologists. Characteristics of microorganisms. Apart from being invisible to human eyes, microorganisms also have some other characteristics. They can survive in extreme environmental conditions such as extreme heat or cold, which may seem inappropriate for the human beings. They form a hard outer covering called the cyst. They remain inactive inside the cyst. They may occur as a single cell or found together in clusters called colonies. They can be beneficial or harmful to us. The cyst. Clusters or colonies. Where are microorganisms found? Microbes are robust organisms that can withstand adverse conditions. Such a particular characteristic enables them to live in every part of Earth, such as in the rock, soil, water, and air. Microorganisms can be found deep inside the Earth, in boiling hot springs, in frozen glaciers, in dry deserts, or in the deep sea. We can find them on the touchpad of mobile phones, on a moist piece of bread, on a log of wood, on the bodies of plants, animals, or even inside our bodies. They can even survive a volcanic eruption or a nuclear blast. So, guys, that's all for today. See you all in the next video. Till then, bye. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to this channel. Do like, comment, and share my videos with your friends and favorite ones.